Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video tutorial is for students who are in Geometry Goal 1. We are comfortably over halfway, and now we're going to take care of a few itty-bitty little topics, make them go away so that we can move on to some of the bigger stuff that will be going on in the last 3 topics of the chapter. So we're going to dive right in, scroll down. Arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences, students who come from Algebra 2 should remember this because this was back in Goal 3. You had formulas for it then. And what we're going to be looking at is basically the difference between the two. Arithmetic sequences mean you're going to be dealing with either adding or subtracting a list of numbers. If it's a geometric sequence, you're either going to be multiplying or dividing a series of numbers. Those are the things that you want to keep in mind. So when I'm looking at the numbers here, let's see here, first terms, find the next two terms in the sequence. So from 44 to 35, I'm going down 9, right? Down 9. Then from 35 to 26, I'm going down 9 again. So if I'm finding the next two terms in the sequence, what is 26 minus 9? 17. What is 17 minus 9? 8. Over here, instead of decreasing, I'm increasing, so I'm going up 6, and then I'm going up 6. So what is 25 plus 6? 31. And what is 31 plus 6? 37. So arithmetic sequences tend to be the easier of the two. It's sometimes a little hard for certain students to be able to figure out a geometric sequence. But now that you know you're looking at multiplication and division, hopefully that will make it easier. Since our numbers are very obviously going smaller, that means we're going to be dividing. And what do we divide by every time? It looks like we divide by 3. 810 divided by 3 is 270. 270 divided by 3 is 90. So then the next question is, what is 90 divided by 3? And that's going to be 30. What is 30 divided by 3? That is going to be 10. Next up, let's see here. This one we're going up, so we're multiplying. And what do we multiply by? It is times 5, because 5 times 2 is 10, times 5, because 10 times 5 is 50. So what is 50 times 5? 250. And what is 250 times 5? 6250. That's what you're going to be looking at for this. And then the final thing that has to do with sequencing, over here, we're going to see patterns in shapes. So we can see here that the figure is going in a very obvious pattern. So how many small squares will figure 4 have? That's 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared is going to be 16. Next up, let's see here. We have a base of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 4, plus 3, and then plus 2. So 5, 9, 12, plus 2. The next one is going to have 14 blocks. And it's pretty straightforward after that. So that is a nice quick tutorial. I didn't even need 5 minutes to explain it. And next we're going to start taking care of some of the bigger topics that lead towards the DSA. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you in the next one.